He's just mad at me because I'm not trying to.
Okay, no problem, man. I see you have some interesting you can do. You understand what I'm telling you?
Wanna take my hand with me? I'm just joking.
What? You don't have to worry about trying to look fancy or anything. Just walk heel to toe. All right, ready?
On October 27th, 2023, police saw a reckless driver on the road. When they ran the plates, the car came back as stolen. So the police pulled over the driver who accidentally hit the police car on the stop.
Señora, manos arriba! Oh, there you go. She's in neutral.
Okay.
She just hit my car. All right, is anybody else? Wait, stay there. Stay back. Is anybody else in the car? She just hit my car. All right, she's single occupant in the car? All right, stand. How you doing, ma'am? Step out of the car.
Can you speak to my lawyer?
Okay, no problem, ma'am. How you doing, sir? She's getting detained right now. Step out of the car.
Can you let me in?
Yeah, I think she's 4-4. Yeah, we're detained.
You're gonna have to wait, sir.
All right, man. Listen. Right now,
He didn't tell me it was stolen. He's just mad at me because I'm not trying to.
Okay, no problem, man. You all right?
Yeah.
All right, no problem. Walk back here at me.
If she's mad at me.
Just to make sure the car's clear.
He's just mad at me.
One people detained.
Can I get my
Vehicle's
phone?
empty.
My lawyer.
All right. You okay, ma'am?
It's my birthday.
It's your birthday? All right. Whose car is that?
It's my friend.
All right, okay. Here's what I'm going to do, right? Do you have anything illegal on your person?
No.
Do you have anything to poke me, stick me, cut me in your pockets? I see you have some injuries and stuff like that in your wrists that are old. So, and you have a Band-Aid here. I don't know if you're like an IV drug user or something like that. All right. Do me a favor, just have a seat in the back seat of my car, okay?
Can I get my phone?
We'll get your phone after. Just have a seat for me, all right? We can clear this out and move traffic. Yeah. So if you want, thank you. If you want to move your car.
Yeah, you go there now. So.
Yeah, cool. And then we'll clear out those. Yeah, we're gonna need 4-4. She crushed my car.
Is that intentional?
No, I think she's 450. You hear her?
She's definitely.
Because she was doing this.
No, she's definitely 450.
The officers say she is 450, which means driving under the influence. The woman claims that the car belongs to her friend and that someone ratted on her for driving it because she did not want to have intercourse with them. But another officer then reads the report of the stolen vehicle.
Whoever the car belongs to left the keys on a table in the strip club. She said, I saw it, I took it.
Oh, here we go. Hey, Patterson.
She said, and I told him I promised I would give it back. Because he told me we wouldn't press charges. So yeah.
That's great.
There you go. That's why when it ran us, because she started speaking, I was like, oh.
Yeah. Step out of the car for me, all right? Here's someone. I'll do it. All right. Turn around. I'm going to take the handcuffs off for a second, all right? Fix yourself, and then we're going to walk over here. Don't try and run away or anything. That's probably the worst thing you can do. You understand what I'm telling you?
Can I take my hand with me? I'm just joking.
What?
You ever played manhunt?
I don't know what you're saying.
Manhunt. Okay, that's
All right. You're not doing that because that's going to end bad for you, I promise. All right? Would you cut yourself with the Band-Aid?
No, I got checked today to make sure I'm good.
Okay. All right, stand over here for me, okay? You're good here. Actually, you know what? Come up on the sidewalk. This is a lot flatter.
The officers decide to put her under a sobriety test.
All right, man. Dave, can you just turn off 360's lights?
Yeah, absolutely.
Appreciate you. All right. Let me ask you a question. Do you have any medical problems? No? Okay. Do you have any problems with your eyes?
No.
Like, you wear glasses, contacts, anything like that? Okay. Have you ever had a concussion or anything like that? Any traumatic brain injuries? Alright. What we want to do is stand the way you are, feet together, hands at your sides, alright? You see my pen right here? Look at the tip of my pen. I'm going to move this pen from side to side. Keep your head still, don't move your head, just follow with your eyes. You understand what I'm telling you?
Okay.
Alright, look at my pen.
Okay.
Wait, you gotta keep following her, okay? Don't stop, okay? Look at it.
14-year-old juvenile. Her name is Sarah Boyd. I don't have the clothing description.
Don't move your head, just your eyes.
She's listed wearing
You gotta keep following with your eyes, alright?
she's wearing a uniform. Or she could also be in some sort of track items. Great, so everybody down there. We got a picture of her?
Alright. Stay in the way you are.
White goes on
Put your
top.
feet back up. Let's back up a little bit. Come on, walk over here. Or you can face me, actually. Stand there. Stand the way you are. Put your feet together, hand at your sides. Just like this, alright? You're going to take your left foot, put it on this imaginary line extended between you and I. Alright, you're going to take your right foot, put your right foot heel to toe directly in front of it. Alright? Stand the way you are, feet together, hands at your sides. You're going to take 9 heel to toe steps forward, right? And you're going to count out loud. 1, 2, 3. Wait, you're not going to start until I tell you to start. So back up. Left foot on this imaginary line. Right foot in front of it. Alright? Stay there. You're going to take 9 steps forward like that. You're going to turn around and take 9 back. Count it out loud. So left on the line, right on front. 1, 2. Go ahead. Heel to toe.
7, 8, 9.
Alright, turn around and go back.
1, 2.
Alright, you're not listening when I tell you heel to toe.
Sassy.
You're not listening when I tell you heel to toe.
Okay, like this.
You don't have to worry about trying to look fancy or anything. Just walk heel to toe.
Alright.
Alright, ready? Count them out.
Okay.
With a 9 back. Alright, good. Stand where you are, turn around, look at me. Feet together, hands at your side once again. You're going to pick a foot, any foot, left, right, doesn't matter to me, right? You're going to take that foot, put it in front of you, parallel to the ground, 6 inches about. You're going to count out loud, 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, until you stop, alright? Count out for me loud. You're going to put your feet together, just stand there. You're going to pick a foot, either one. Hold it out, don't begin until I tell you to. And you're going to count 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000. You understand what I'm telling you?
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000.
Alright, you're good. Come on, we'll go back on the car.
After passing the test, the officer cuffs the woman again and questions her about the stolen car.
I'm going to put these back on. Hold on, don't worry. Alright, you have an outstanding warrant for your arrest, and obviously you're driving a stolen vehicle, alright? That's not yours. Okay? That, and you told one of my partners that you stole the car when you were at the club.
No, I didn't say that.
Were you dancing at the club, or you were hanging out at the club? Okay.
Can you call my friend?
Yeah, we'll call him and get to the police station. Walk in here. So when at the, we just closed the door on the outside. Were you dancing at the club, or are you like just hanging out and having drinks, just chilling?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Which club is that?
Sunrise.
Sunrise?
Hold on, let me grab this. Very nice.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you're good. Just hang out there. All right. Yeah, I think she's right. No HGN, anything like that. She just wanted to try and walk fancy, but she's good at heel to toe, whatever.
450? Yes, no.
No, she had no HGN.
Okay.
She actually did well walking turn after I said stop trying to walk fancy.
Okay.
She did pretty good with the foot up and
That's
everything.
fine.
So she has the outstanding out of Patterson, then the receiving charge, and I'll let Patterson know about the statement she made to Mac now. So they want to change that up.
She was sent to jail for an outstanding warrant and was also charged for receiving stolen property for driving the stolen car.